Hello my dear students, welcome back to online mathematics class. Last class we completed second chapter, fractions, decimals, rational numbers, the chapter we completed. Today we are going to learn third chapter, simple equations. Now some introduction part one time we will learn. Actually we know the numbers, everyone know the numbers. Numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, these all are numbers you know. These numbers, another point you are saying to a numericals. Numbers we are pronounced as a numericals. When you are seeing to equations place, we are using like this numericals. When you are coming to a letters A to Z is a letters. Already we know that. The letters, another name is a variables. These 2 points remember all of you. Numbers means numericals and letters means variables. These 2 points we will learn. And next we are coming to a numbers and letters together is called. Numbers and letters together is called algebra. Numbers and letters together is called algebra. See here A, 3A, this is a algebraic term. 3A, 3A algebraic term. 7Z algebraic term. 6P like this way. Numbers and letters together is called algebra we are calling. Therefore in this algebra, numbers and letters, numbers place we are using letters is called algebra. In this algebra, these 3 points just you learn it. And next we are coming to a 2 plus 3 is an expression. 2 plus 3a, one expression, mathematical expression. See here 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7. Some numbers we are using plus or minus symbols we are using, that is called expression. 2 plus 3, 3 minus 5, 7 minus 2 and 8 divides 2. Next 7 into 5. These all are mathematical expressions using with the symbols. These are all mathematical expressions. Next we are coming to a letters and numbers we are using. This is called algebraical expression. Why means when you are going to using equations time, these terms also we are using. That's why x plus 5, 3x, x by 5. Now you understood I think. In this letter and number, 2 is their algebraic expression. Letter and number with combined with symbols, 4 operations, plus, minus, multiplication, division, this all are using this place. In this way, next we are coming to a mathematical statement, means any numerical expression, any numbers, we can be say true or false, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Any mathematical expression, we will be expressed true or false, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, true or false, true only. When we are seeing to the mathematical expression, we will be said true or false, that is called mathematical statement. When you are observing, we will say the answer. Is it true or one more time, 2 minus 3 equal to 1, correct? False. 2 minus 3 is not a 1, minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus. That's why this is a true, this is a false. When we are observing the expression, you are saying true or false correctly, that expression is called mathematical statement. And in this statement, when we are seeing, see here x plus 5 equal to 9. Here also is there, but here letters are there. In this letters we are using x plus 5 equal to 9. This is called open statement. What statement? Open statement. In this open statement, means you cannot be said true or false. What is the open statement? When you are observing to any expression, we cannot be said true or false. When you are saying true means false, false means true. X plus 5 equal to 9. Is it true or false? Say to me. It's not possible. X is there. You are saying true means I will say false. Why means you are saying here x plus any value we have possible to use. In this variable, in this letters place we are using any number. You are saying true means I will say false. That's why any expression we cannot be, you cannot be say true or false. That is called open statement. What statement? Open statement. In this open statements contain equality symbol. In this open statements contain equality symbol. Open statements contain equality symbol is called equation. That's why this full I explained only for the equation definition. Therefore, open statement means what? We cannot be expressed true or false. When you are seeing any one expression, we cannot be say is a true, is false. When you are solving only, we will say the true or false. But without seeing, we have not. that expression is equal to when the statement is using to a equality symbol is called equation. Sir, in this equation we are using any other symbol. 2x plus 3 is greater than 5. This is called inequation. This is called a inequation. Equality not. Any other symbols we are using, that all are inequations. Equal to is there, equations. Any other symbols are there, that is called inequations. What is the equation? An open statement contain equality symbol is called equation, or any expression you are using with equality symbol is called in this equation have left hand side and right hand side. Two terms are there every time, LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. In this equation we have two terms are there. Again, now we are coming to a chapter definition. Simple equation. Today we are going to learn simple equation. What is a simple equation? Means an equation. Equation means we know that an equation contains one variable. Any equation contain one variable is called simple equation. Is called a simple equation. Everyone remember, any equation contain one variable means in this equation we are using only one letter. We are using only one letter is called simple equation. Any equation contains one variable is called a simple equation. One time say x plus 5 equal to 4, 2p equal to 4, a minus 3 equal to 7, x by 3 equal to 4. Like this way. In these expressions all have, we are using only one letter. In that using the letter is called simple equation. Sir, one letter is there, we are saying to a simple equation. More than one is there, what you are saying? One or more than one is there, we are saying to a linear equations. Linear equation. We are saying to a linear equation. An equation contain one or more variables is called linear equation. Now in this exercise we are using only one variable. That's why this is called a simple equation. One more time I am saying to the simple equation definition. Any equation contain one variable is called simple equation. Now see here, simple equations help in solving various problems in our daily life. Simple equations are very useful in our daily life solving problems. Simple one statement, after 5 years Ramesh age is 15 years. What is the present age? Simple logic. After 5 years Ramesh age is 15 years. What is the present age? Present age we don't know that. Present age we don't know. X we think it variable. And next, after 5 years. After 5 years, age is equal to how much? 15 years. After 5 years, the Ramesh age is 15 years. Means present is X, and after 5 years means after 5. Add the 5 years, that age is equal to 15. But now you understood, X plus 5 equal to 15. In this X plus, how much you will keep? You will get the 15. Very easy. Therefore, 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Therefore, the present age of Ramesh is 10 years. The present age of like this way, in this pattern we will solve so many sums. We will see. Now you are going to a exercise 1. Exercise 1. Now we are going to a exercise 1. Exercise 1. First question here very easy. Write the LHS side and RHS side. 2x equal to 10. LHS side what is there? 2x. RHS side what is there? 10. That is only very easy. LHS side what is there? Write down. And RHS side what is there? Write down. This is also second question when you are seeing LHS side what is there? 4z plus 1 is LHS side. And RHS side 8. This first exercise full remaining all sums try to write. LHS side what numbers are there? RHS side. LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. Very easy. You try to do it remaining sums. And again we are coming to a second question. Solve the following equations using trial and error method. Already last classes you learn in 5th class I think. But you did not learn. See, 2 plus y equal to 7. This is one equation. Here, which value you keep, it becomes 7. Already you know, simply you keep 5 means 7 only. But this is a trial and error method, means 1 by 1 number will see. Y equal to 1, y equal to 1 I am taking, y plus I am taking to a 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 7, correct? No, false. In y plus we are keeping 1 is not correct. Y equal to 2, again 2 plus 2 equal to 7, correct? False, not correct. 2 plus 2, 4, not 7. Y equal to 3, possible. 2 plus 3 equal to 7, false. Y equal to 4, possible. 2 plus 4 equal to 7, false. Y equal to 5, I am taking y equal to 5. 2 plus 5 equal to 7 is true. Therefore, y value equal to 5 is a correct solution. Correct solution. In this pattern, solving method is called trial and error method. 1 by 1 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 1 number, you will be substitute the given expression. In this expression, we are using to a numbers 1, 2, 3. And which number we substitute, that answer is true. That answer is true. That value is a correct answer. In this pattern, solving method is called trial and error method. Trial and error method. Second question and third question, you try to do the homework. One more time, fourth question I am saying, n equal 2n means 2 into n. n equal to 1 I am taking. 2 into 1 equal to 14, correct? False. 2 into 1 is not a 14. And n equal to 2, possible. 2 into 2, 14? Not possible, false. n equal to 3, 2 into 3, 14, false. N equal to 4, 2 into 4, not possible. N equal to 5, 2 into 5 equal to 14, false, not possible. N equal to 6, n equal to 6, 2 into 6 equal to 14, false. N equal to 7, 2 into 7 equal to 14, yes, true. Therefore, n equal to 7 is a correct solution. Now you understood it. 2n means 2 into n. In this n plus what you are taking, one first numbers already you know, 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to the number will come true. Up to the equation must be true. See here, 2 into 1, false. 2 into 2, 14, not. 2 into 3, not a 14. 2 into 4, 8, not possible. 2 into 5, 10, not possible. 2 into 6, 12, not possible. 2 into 7, 14, is correct answer. Therefore, n equal to 7 is the correct solution. In this way, the pattern. Already in these two sums I gave homework, you try to do. Minus is there, subtraction is there, subtraction do it. Division is there, division do it. Multiplication is there, multiplication do it. In this way, you try to do it. Very important trial and error method. Examination also it will come. 1 or 2 times you try to do it. Remaining exercise will continue on the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.